Hi, I'm Ajitesh. In this video, I'm really excited to talk to you about a new feature that we have been working on for a long time. So this feature is about engineering operation analytics. So engineering operation has been same for a long time. You track number of PRs, number of commits, lines of code, which is great, but does not give you the complete picture. What about the quality of code? And now with AI writing more and more code, how should you track that? What is the contribution of AI? And is the number of lines of code in the real true contribution for a developer? And what about the test coverage and all these metrics that now the AIs can just write the all the tests, but is the quality of test being right and is meeting your standard? So these are some questions that I want to address. So first, I will give you a demo of this tool, and then we'll walk through how this tool you can use. So here's a quick demo of this tool. So to use this tool, you first need to configure the PR, which you can do from this PR page. You have to click configure, then add your repo, then add the configuration for the PR. For example, I have here for PR review that should we be updating on every PR, reviewing on every PR and all. So once you have this configuration, we'll start populating the analytics. And this is the analytics view for this repository, and you can pick the repository that you need. So for last 7 days, this is showing the cycle time, which is the total time that it takes from writing the code to finally it going to the production. Which is fairly low here, like 1 day, which is good. But in typical enterprise and all, it can be a couple of weeks. A lot of time goes in coding, but a lot of time is also in review, like people waiting for someone to review and finally approve, and that takes some time. And then this is the estimated review time. Because this is a demo repo for us, you don't see much variation, but this can also be really helpful, that how your review time is increasing and decreasing over the years. And then who is contributing more to the code, and who is opening PRs, how many PRs are opened and closed. So that's the DORA metric. Like overall, it gives you that the velocity at which you are moving, and is this the velocity meeting your business requirement or not. And you can point out that, okay, maybe the pickup time is the bottleneck, that people are not picking up the PR reviews, or review is the bottleneck, and go deeper and try to solve it. The second set of metric are the throughput metrics, and these are about amount of work that is done. For example, how many PRs were opened, how many comments were made, and in future we'll add number of issues and tickets. And overall, it gives that you might have certain quality volume of work that you wanted to achieve, and how much volume of work did you achieve in last 7 days. And the third metric category, which is completely missing today, is this quality metric. That once you review the PR, like maybe people will give you cyclomatic complexity and all, but how much useful that is. So here we give you for every PR what is the these qualitative and quantitative data. For example, this we did not skip, we skipped doing the AI based review, but there was AI generated summary. We skipped AI generated summary, but we did do the review. So you can see that whether there was security vulnerability in this case, was test included, which was not, and if there were any logical error in the bug. And then what is this review type? Like, is it PR code is about, is it enhancement, documentation? So we give you AI generated labels. So this is pretty helpful. For example, you can go to other repos here, for example, here in empirical, and again, go to the quality and see that this PR is about bug fix. So this can be really useful for you to dig deep and understand the quality of code that is being written, and whether you are making progress in the right direction in the code health and quality of experience that you want to give to end customer. So that's the second part that I wanted to cover. Third is how will you use it, which I mostly did talk through. But if you want to learn in details, you can go to our documentation. It covers about each of the metric, what's the definition, how you can use these metrics. A couple of things to highlight at the end would be that today, if you are using any PR review solution, or if bots are contributing to the PR, this is an opaque area for engineering managers. And we have heard these requests from engineering managers to give high-level overview of where they are, how their team is making progress, what is the bottleneck. And this can be a really helpful tool for you in order to keep a track of your code velocity, code health, among other things. Let me know your feedback and suggestion in the comments below. Thank you so much.